We last spoke about Iovance Biotherapeutics about 2 months ago at what I thought at the time was a steal, $5.76 per share. So what do I think now? Where are we at now? Well, hey, at a price of about $3.10 a share, this has become even less expensive. So remember, we have had quite a fierce market sell-off. So the rising tide lifts everything, the lowering tide drops everything down as well. And the pharma, biotech, medical product sector is just unloved and no one wants a piece of it right now. That's not always going to be the case. So I believe the Iovance opportunity is for real and it's extremely compelling. So let's look at a few of the reasons why. First of all, biotechnology has a wide moat around it by nature. It takes years and years and millions of dollars of investment to advance your technology. And Iovance is no stranger to that. This company's been pouring R&D dollars into this for a long time, and they have 2 approved products, which is just very intriguing. And again, cancer company, advanced melanoma. So this does humanity wonders. TIL therapy. This is the tumor, infiltrating lymphocytes. So as they say in their own literature, it deploys billions of personalized, these specific TIL to recognize and target the cancer and destroy it. This is personalized medicine. This is high-tech stuff. Since we talked about it last time, it's gone through the overall market gyrations. It's gotten even less expensive, but now you're starting to see more and more articles about how impressive this company's science is, and they are starting to balloon up in revenue. So we've gone from now they still have a pipeline where there's lots of things being worked on, but they have real products out there. So they've demonstrated that. So what have they done since we last talked to them? They have reported their year-end 2024 numbers and reiterated a pretty strong 2025 guidance. This is things that investors should be very excited about. So the 2024 number is about $167 million, I believe, dollars in revenue. This year it's supposed to go from $450 to $475 million in revenue. So these are impressive numbers. The pipeline keeps advancing. It looks impressive. With 2 approved products already and another one in phase 3 and many more in phases 1 and 2, this is what you want to see when you're investing in the biotech sector. And always remember that big pharma, big biotech companies are always on the prowl looking for tuck-in acquisitions to fill out their own pipelines or cancer pipelines so they continue to grow. And what better way to do it than a company that is undervalued like Iovance Biotherapeutics? Insiders also control about 12% of this company, so that's something that we should also keep on the radar. Let's take a look real quickly at some of the fundamentals and make sure they line up with what I'm saying. So a market cap of about $1 billion, that's still relatively inexpensive, small cap company. It means a lot of room to grow and for significant expansion. A stock price that's traded between $2.70 in the past year to over $14 a share. We are clinging to those lows, and we're pretty much stuck there at this point in time. Year to date, down another 58%. The 1 year down 72%. The 5 year down 92%. This is almost unheard of for a company that's got approved products, and we're not looking too far out into the future for being cash flow positive. Revenue expected to grow. So last year, $167 million in revenue, which was a 15,000% increase over the prior year. And this year, that's looking to go to 450 to 475. These are sizable numbers. Management has indicated that the cash burn is going to be under $300 million for the 2025 year. Debt is a modest $58 million with over $400 million in cash. So we look okay from a liquidity standpoint for the next 12 months or so. And we'll see how fast those revenues go and how fast they can convert this to profitability. but we're looking okay for it at this point in time. We'll continue to keep an eye on it. But this has been one of the biggest drawbacks of Iovance is the cash burn, not the technology and the science behind it. Analysts are pegging the average price at $19 a share. So when you're looking at a $3 stock, and analysts are saying anywhere from $5 a share to $32 a share, with an average price of $19 a share, that means there's quite a bit of opportunity here, and that's why this is starting to get some write-ups, some articles on it. Is that it's looking pretty intriguing. To me, Iovance looks like a millionaire maker stock. I have been steadily increasing my position in this company and think you should take a look at it for yours as well. It's a little different than some of the semiconductors or AI or software type things that we often cover or hear about that are those millionaire maker stocks. But biotech is for real, and this company's got some great products. And again, we like to look for those disruptors and new technology and innovative companies, and Iovance hits the number on this. Looking to hear what you folks are doing. Let me know. Thanks for joining as always, and we'll talk with you again real soon.